بێتە also my کورە ئینگلیزیەکەشم شڕەشڕێتەکە بەڵام باشترە حبیبی most welcome my Arabic is really bad
no problem we can speak it
you speak English that's better also my کورە ئینگلیزیەکەشم شڕەشڕێتەکە بەڵام باشترە why you choose ئاری گەیمینگ
wallahi after we had dinner you know it's Ramadan he told me I need to buy some stuff for his computer so I told him
okay
you know some good place he said yes I know this company
what do you have to say in Arabic أحكي عربي
he can't speak English
okay
I love this company and I saw it's very famous on platform and social media.
So I have a gift for you. Okay, go to the store. Okay, buy anything up to 55,000 dinar.
Yeah.
It's a gift from us.
Thank
anything you like.
we appreciate that thank
welcome.
you very much
Welcome. بخير هاتنا لبو آری گیمینگ. لایک فيديو كي لبير مكانو ذكرش لكم من منوسن.